siguro mo no, sa liluan, kanang guba ka o tulay, kanang mutabog-tag ba Davao, Pasurigaw, o mga liluan. And today we'll be giving, don't worry ha, dili ni siya kuan, murag excuse na siya sa atong trabaho ron. Dili ni siya kanang mag-bombard ta og mga new topics. So this will be just, consider this as a break sa inyong daily routine. No? So this will be a day for mental wellness. And this will not be, there will be some sort of lectures, but we'll be having fun today. And so, let me just give you our goal. Sa man atong goal karong buntaga, no? Okay. So, tanan pa no, naay mga heads of offices diri. Asa man?
Isa man.
Ay, asa man ka nga office, ma'am? HR. Okay. Ang kuan ba ni sa program ni sa social service sa kuano? MS no? Dili sa HR. Anyways, mga JO. Ang regulars na okay. May daghan. Let's utilize ang mga table kunya kay later on we'll be having mag-activity ka kay para dili tala ayon kay murag ang ka gloomy ang panahon ba no dili kay makaduka. So we'll be having activities. Let me just give you the goal. Unsa may goal na to karong buntaga. Next slide. So, mao ni atong program. So, mind and body connection, and then later on, we'll be building your personal resilience toolkit. What do you mean by that? So basically, kanina program, it's just very quick, and I'll be tackling about mga activities na pwede ninyo mabuhat sa inyong office na para maka-relax sa inyong muna-muna, no? Para maka-distress. And then we will also discuss healthy communication in the workplace. No, especially that we are public servants, we are the frontliners. No, day to day we'll be dealing with clients. No, and some, if not most of them, are irate clients. No, na murag magsigil pa masaba or kita baka ang irritable. Ang client mo or irritable, nag-abot sa client salubong na itong mga kilay. Balik na po ka. No? So, ingat anak. And then we will also try to develop a support. How do we make our workplace be open and supportive? No? So, we'll also tackle about that. And then, lastly, we'll be doing personal commitments. No? Unsay dapat ninyong i-improve sa inyong stage, sa inyong ginabuhi karon. Okay. See, go. So these are our goals for today. So first, understand the deep connection between your mind and body. Na ba kay connection ang mind and body? Huh? Do you agree with that? Okay. And then we will learn practical exercises to manage stress and build resilience. And then we will improve our communication skills to navigate workplace challenges. No, mali akong ginasuti kanina sa pag-touch na to. And then empower ourselves to foster a more supportive community. Diba? Kaya anong atong panindigan ni inyong giingon nga angat hilumos nun? Wala di mo nanganta sa inyong hilumos him. Hilumos him to? Bago to? Bago to, gaan na, pero ulit yung nakatawa ko ka-memorize. Sumbong ka muna. Itawa ko na nagtawa.
Matera.
Maulaw mo. Memorize na